Everyone move back!
Why is she crying? She's looking down there.
Stay behind the barrier.
Oh no! The baby can't get out! I want to see elephants.
Me too.
Please stay inside the truck.
Everything is beautiful. They're so cute. Look at the baby.
Stay on the path.
Okay, Dad. Did you hear that? Yes. Something needs help. Let's look. Leo, look. Don't be scared. We'll help you.
Mia? Leo?
Where did they go?
Mom! Dad! Over here!
Oh no.
Poor little elephant. It's too dangerous.
We have to help. The ground is falling. Be careful.
We need wildlife rescue now. A baby elephant is trapped.
Move out. We have a trapped elephant.
Was. That its mother? It sounds so close. Is it the baby's mom?
Everyone back!
She's trying to help her baby. They'll find a way. I hope so.
Hurry! Ah!
Down there! Please help!
The ground is unstable.
Be careful!
Stop! Don't scare it!
It's okay. We're here.
Slowly.
You're doing great!
Stay back! Ah!
She just wants her baby.
Lift slowly.
No.
Stop! Nobody move! Hold the cables!
It's okay. Don't give up.
Easy. Stay back.
We can't leave it here.
They'll find another way.
Move the crane over there.
Oh. Maybe it's hungry. Good job. Keep eating.
The big crane is here.
We can save you.
Lower it slowly. It's in.
Come on. One more step.
Nice and steady.
She's waiting.
Lift slowly. Almost there. We did it!
Your mom is waiting. Go. Go to your mom. They found each other.
They did.
Great job, everyone! Your kindness helped save this little one.
I just wanted it to be with its mom again. I think she's saying thank you. I think so too.
Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay safe.
Today was amazing. I'll never forget it.
This is for our little helper.
Thank you so much.
You were very brave today.
We all helped together. Look, they're still together.
Animals need love, just like families do.
That's a lesson we'll always remember.